See all students, this is a very most important question. Integration of 1 by x minus a x minus b into dx. How we can do this question? All students see on the board in proper way. Now you have know that if you multiply by any number in this, then there is no any formula to finding this. That is why you have to multiply by here sin b minus a and also here sin b minus a and also by cos x minus a in denominator and cos x minus b dx. Okay, and you have to here manage sin a b minus a, and here integration of sin b minus a can be written as x minus a and minus x minus b. Okay, you can write in such form by here cos x minus a in numerator and cos x minus b is also in numerator and here dx. Okay, see here all students. Now use here formula of a sin a minus b. What is the formula of sin a minus b? All students know about this formula. This is sin a cos b and minus cos a and sin b. This is formula of sin a minus b. Okay. Now use this formula here. Okay. Here sin b minus a and integration of, now use here formula this and expand this sin a cos b, sin a cos b. Okay, and minus cos a sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is formula of sin a minus b, and by here cos x minus a in one bracket and cos x minus b in next bracket and dx. Now here we have to separate. Okay, then you see all students here sin b minus a, and you have to separate this. There will be sin x minus a and cos x minus b by here cos x minus a and cos x minus b. Okay, and also here cos x minus a and sin x minus b, and by here see all students cos x minus a in one bracket and cos x minus b and whole dx and close in bracket. Okay, now you have to cancel here cos x minus a, cos minus a, and also here cancel cos x minus a, cos a, and here cos x minus b, cos x minus b cancel. Now here remaining part is sin ab minus a and integration of and that is sin by cos a tan x minus a, and also here dx and integrate and open the bracket here, and also that is a tan x minus b and dx, and use here formula of tan x minus a and also here tan x minus b. All students know about this. Attention here, integration of sin integration of tan x is equal to, there are two formula, minus log cos x or log sec x. There are two formula of integration of tan x dx. Okay, there are two formula. Now we use any one of the formula in this. Okay, we use here, see all students here, sin b minus a, and this is a formula use here integration of formula of tan, that is log sec x minus a, and also here minus log sec x minus b. Okay, and you know that this is the formula of log m by n. Here attention, log m by n is what? Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. This is a logarithmic formula. Okay, and that is why use here log m by log n. 1 by sin b minus a, and you this is log sec x minus a, this is m and this is n, sec x minus b and plus c. Okay, and if you have to change in this formula into cos, then you have to also do this change b minus a here log of, you can write this cos x minus a and by 1 by cos x minus b also change into cos form. Okay, and here sin b minus a, and also this is a reciprocal, x minus b go in numerator and x minus a in numerator plus c. Okay, and here change into cos. Okay, that is cos and plus c. Now you can, some students are saying, sir, here given b minus a not given, here a minus b is given. Okay, you have take common here minus half, and you can write this in sin a minus b, and minus enter in this, and that is why that will should be changed one times. Again write here x minus b and cos x minus a, and use minus here sin a minus b, and if you use minus, that is a cos x minus a go in numerator and cos x minus b in denominator. That is a required result, and this is result may be given. Okay, this is a required result. So all students, you clearly know about this solution. Thank you.